It was recording. Another inspection. This was inspection weekend, obviously. But this Camaro came in last year, got coated with Ceramic Pro Gold, so it has 4 layers of 9H on it. Before the light wears out in about 18 months, boom, let's slap a new layer of light. The system won't be broken. You don't want 9H on, the light wears off, and then all of a sudden you spraying this sport on there, and that sport is not light. Come on, don't break the system. Got the light on there, it's gonna cure overnight, and boom, out the door tomorrow it goes, even in the rain. So, yeah, I mean, it looks great. Don and Jessica, thank you for your business, and yeah. What's next? This rat's nest is unreal.